All right, so we got about an inch. It started snowing off and on around 9 o'clock to about 2 a.m. Stopped a little bit and picked up a little bit. Again, this is just like the frontal like moisture, just excess moisture that was in the air squeezing out. The real stuff is coming towards us. It's about 7 a.m. right now. The real stuff will be here about 8:39. You can see it's already starting to come down. Babs and I, 75 hard. This is where it gets fun. We're going to try to get our walk in right now. We're going to go for our walk, 45-minute outdoor workout. Got to get it in. We're going to get it in before the bulk of the snow comes, and then we'll go to the gym later. So we kind of flipped, because usually we go gym first, then walk later. But you got to kind of, plan things out accordingly. Quick check on the pond. We're going to call it the pond. This back half right here is frozen. This is not yet. So I imagine it will today, though. We'll go for our walk really quick. We got some daylight finally, and we'll see what the snow does. You ready to walk?
I'm ready.
I think we're a little lucky right now because it's actually pretty warm as far as the road goes. So the road shouldn't have accumulation on it, so we should be all right. Won't get too soaked feet-wise. If we were to walk later, I think we'd be in a different spot. So it's pretty. We'll get this done really quick and then enjoy the day. Keep taking layers off, you're gonna have nothing left.
I'm really hot.
You're stripping. Jacket's open now, beanie's gone, hood's gone. All right, so it is transitioned kind of to like a sleet. It's really wet. I mean, it's still plenty cold though. It's 29.
That sounds like pellets.
We just started the car before we got in here to head to the gym. It's a little cold. But we'll go see what the roads are like. T-Dot does a really good job taking care of the highways and stuff. The back roads get a little sketchy, but we should be fine going there. Sorry for the tree. These kids are downright spoiled having Ranger bring them up and down the sledding hill.
Hey.
You just have to walk uphill both ways in the snow. They're open?
You left the windows in the back open
Like
yesterday.
open? Oh, I can kind of see a pile of snow. Sorry.
I hear a noise coming in the car. I'm like, the windows are down.
Well, that sucks. Drive all the way into town to go to the gym, and we can't go to the gyms. Now, we're going to have to work out at home.
Yes.
Clean the shed out. I got drywall everywhere, but... Well, that sucks.
You can just walk on my mom's treadmill for 40
I mean, it's a good thing we checked this morning, because we almost drove over here at 5, and I was like, we better double check, because I know how they are, and sure enough, they didn't open until 7, so... Look at all these knuckleheads that want propane now, see? It's fine. Y'all look like a bunch of fools. Oh, now we should get propane, now that it's snowing and 10 degrees out. you're gonna do it, you gotta do it just like me.
Son.
Yeah, right. Hold on.
Okay.
You don't know me, son. You as soft as this snow. Yeah.
You don't know me, son.
Get on the ground and do a burpee right.
You gotta get down in.
That was terrible. Terrible.
Try me.
Yeah. You don't know me, son.
What are we doing over here?
Like a snowman.
A snowman? Oh, that's a good little butt. Good little bottom.
Tessa's not much help.
She kind of ruined the
sucks.
first one.
Bryn, what are you doing, girl?
Did I mention I ruined it? Yeah, but I don't want to. If I
What are
get
you
fired
doing down here? Is it cold out here for a pup?
No one said it was because you were talking.
All right. Generator shelter is doing just fine. Hopefully we won't need it. It'll be perfect. Our pond is almost all slush now because of the snow. So I think we'll be good tonight. I think that thing's gonna freeze up really good tonight. We gotta get them out. Let's go see how much we got. Three inches. Whoa! Oh, that was a little close. We'll check one more spot just to get an official reading here. Top of Mackenzie's car. It's a flat surface in the open. Yep. It's about the same too. Just about 3 inches. It's kind of crazy how this built up. This little berm. Well, I could say it's thank goodness for tractors. I don't want to try this one.
Oh my gosh. That worked good. Okay.
Chicken noodle soup.
Homemade chicken noodle soup. I feel like that just will hit the spot. On a cold, snowy day. Like, can you all see these flakes? Look at these flakes. Oh my gosh. Look at how big those flakes are. Oh my lord. Like, that's one flake. Oh. Look at those things. It's so wild because we're just getting dumped on. And Maryville has nothing. Townsend, nothing. Gatlinburg, rain. Like, it's so uncharacteristic because usually the Central Valley, like, we get gypped and they get everything over there. But this time, we're the ones getting everything. It is crazy how much it snowed. Like, listen how quiet it is. I mean, aside from the side-by-sides whipping around having fun, it is so beautiful out. It's amazing. Still, I'm gonna follow these little puppy tracks here. Oh, look who's out here. What are we doing? What are we doing, lonely pup? Dang. really just a slushy pond right now. So we'll see if it freezes overnight. This is wild. I can't believe how much it's coming down. Look how deep my footprints are. Whew. More to come tonight, it said.